This Tuesday morning, GIFT Nifty is still trading with caution. The trading theme still revolves around Trump's new, one-time payment, $100,000 H-1B visa fee. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests Trump's order shall continue to stir anxiety and nervousness in the Nifty IT index, and the said drubbing is likely to bring down the benchmark Nifty as well. Also, it's now widely expected that the Trump's tariffs and H-1B visa policy shall also threaten India's trade deal. Meanwhile, Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal will lead an official delegation to discuss the trade deal, while External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will meet U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio for bilateral discussions. Long story short, caution shall continue to be the buzzword at Dalal Street. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2,910.10 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 2,582.60 crores. Risky sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive consolidation play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 10.56 levels. At last check, USD INR, September, was trading firm near the 88.30 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 0.87 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 0.95. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Caution advised for Nifty's bullish traders. Nifty, CMP to 5,202. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,051 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,466 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25050 and 25350. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 82160. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 81,000 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 82,600 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 80,608 to 600. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 55285. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 54,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 55,850 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,700 and 55700. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Overnight, Wall Street traded with positive bias and, most importantly, extended record highs, while markets continued to assess the outlook on future Fed rates. The positive takeaway from overnight trade at Wall Street was that Oracle Inc. jumped 6% as it was included in U.S. operations of the TikTok ownership brokered by President Donald Trump. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Zydus Life Sciences was seen consolidating with slight negative bias in Monday's trade after the company announced that it has received the Establishment Inspection Report (EIR) from U.S. Food and Drug Administration (USFDA) for GMP follow-up inspection conducted at its oncology injectable facility located at CES 1, Ahmedabad. 2. Netweb Technologies India, plus 7.81%, gained and scaled further into uncharted territory after the company announced that it has secured a purchase order valued at approximately 450 crore rupees for the supply and deployment of its advanced Tyrone AI GPU accelerated systems. 3. NBCC, India, gained 3.74% after the company has secured multiple work orders worth approximately 117 crore rupees from the Housing and Urban Development Corporation, HUDCO.